澳門一座寫滿傳奇嘅特殊城市，呢度除咗有陳舊嘅老屋，亦都有奢華到極致嘅巨型場館。而呢度嘅人民守法有序，遵守交通規則，盡顯出佢哋嘅高素質。自奇啦！而事實上，你平時行喺街上面就已經可以見到唔少人亂衝馬路㗎啦。根據治安警最新數據，2024年檢控行人亂過馬路高達7460宗，而今年嘅前5月就已經高達咗4000宗㗎啦。今日我哋就想聽下澳門市民對亂過馬路嘅睇法。點解亂過馬路屢禁不止？係設施不足、習慣使然，定係僥倖心理？等我哋一齊嚟探討一下，要點樣改善呢種攞命趕路嘅亂象。
Hi, welcome to our street interview for our geography project. Today, we are on the busy streets of Macau, where we will focus on a common daily activity, crossing the road. In Macau, narrow old alleys sit right beside wide modern roads, and scooters are constantly zipping by. This simple act of crossing can be really different here. Some find it no big deal, while others struggle with it. For this project, we want to understand how cities' layout, traffic, and people's habits affect crossing the road. We'll ask locals and tourists about their experiences and the difficulties they face, and any ideas they will have into making the city safer. This info will help us learn more about Macau's urban life. Let's start and hear what they have to say.
Kiwi 哥，早晨。
係唔安。
好，咁跟住落嚟咧，我哋會想問你一啲關於澳門一啲亂穿馬路嘅現象啦。咁想了解下你嘅睇法。咁第一條問題，你覺得平時你有見到有人亂穿馬路啦？有冇？
有好多啊！
好多係嘛？咁你覺得佢哋嘅原因係乜嘢啊？點解想亂穿馬路？
趕時間貪方便咁樣咯。
我覺得佢哋係貪方便咯，即係想快啲過馬路。
方便快咯。
你覺得究竟警方對於呢樣現象嘅執法力度係好嚴格啊，可以有效咁約束啊，定係唔夠嚴格啊？
我覺得就唔太嚴格，因為其實平時都見到好多人咧，就喺交通警面前啦，照會衝過去嘅，但係唔知交通有冇見到啊？可能冇見到，好似可能有見到，得不都好多。
都係會喺交通警面前照穿紅燈。
睇過好多次。
平時都冇見到警察會做呢啲，即係唔夠。
澳門嘅斑馬線啊、紅綠燈啊，同埋天橋等一啲行人嘅基礎措施啊，佢哋可唔可以有效咁減少到呢種現象嘅發生？
唔可以話好有用咯，即係行超嘅其實我反而係點講咧，會更加嘥時間。即係其實紅綠燈佢哋衝紅綠燈都係為咗方便時間，但係其實行天橋再行上入咪佢仲更加嘥時間咁樣。
我覺得唔會減少咯，即係因為如果嗰條紅綠燈係有用，咁佢哋又唔使亂穿馬路咯。
你覺得澳門可以採取啲咩措施去減少呢啲現象嘅發生咧？
我會覺得加重罰款咯，應該啲人見到啲如果咩衝紅綠燈罰3000蚊應該驚咯。
咁即係而家罰300蚊係完全唔夠嘅。
同埋應該嗰啲交通警都要睇嚴少少咯。
我覺得可以打擊得嚴厲啲咯，即係可能擺啲 cam 啊嗰啲咧，咁樣就因為佢哋設晒圍欄都係咁爬，佢又冇乜用。咁又係咯，有嗰啲影相嗰啲可以影低佢哋嘅。
其實我覺得好多時候都係個人素質嘅問題啦。咁但係可以做多啲宣傳嘅，我覺得即係嗰啲教育啊、宣傳教育嗰方面再多少少咁。
好，咁我哋就到呢度。
OK， 好，
唔該晒。
簡單採訪之後，相信大家都睇得出，澳門市民已經對亂過馬路呢種現象感到習以為常。澳門政府對此提出嘅懲罰打擊力度都唔算大。咁接下來我哋就走出青洲，行到巴波沙嚟睇一睇。一嚟到巴波沙，即刻就見到有人亂過馬路。睇嚟呢度就係北區最多人亂過馬路嘅地方啦。等我哋一齊嚟採訪一下呢度嘅市民啦。
咁呢度係巴波沙大馬路啦，你覺得比起澳門嘅其他地方，橫過馬路嘅現象係多啲啊，定係少啲啊？
我覺得呢度多啲咯，因為我覺得話即係咁大條路，上下都有天橋嘅，其實但係啲人為咗方便少少，可能會直接行過去咯，係咯。
應該算多嘅，其他唔知啊。呢度咧日日都有人過嘅，唔理咩時段都有人過嘅。
喺呢一條馬路啦，咁可以見到有行人橫過馬路，咁巴士司機都會鳴笛示警嘅。咁你都覺得對於附近嘅居民有冇啲咩影響咧？
肯定有影響啊，因為我覺得即係人哋喺度，比如人哋喺度瞓緊覺啦，你突然之間逼人哋，即係人哋覺得好煩好臭咯，係咯。
對於你嚟講有冇啲咩影響咧？點解嘅？
我係冇乜影響嘅，因為我住高啲，平時好少聽到啊。呢度附近就唔知啦。但係點講咧？俾人響 beat 嘅時候，應該都係朝早時候多啲嘅，因為我見到啦，唔係我啊，係我見到啦。通常咧，有人就朝早多啲學生或者啲阿姨阿叔咧，佢就會喺呢度行過咧，就俾人10架有1架會 beat 咯。
哦，咁其實都1/10機率大概好。咁其實我哋都見到啦，治安警喺呢一片區域都成日喺度做宣傳同埋一啲祭祀嘅活動。你覺得究竟有冇效果咧？點解嘅？
其實效果唔大咯，係咯，都有少少效果嘅，我覺得。
好，
嘅話其實冇乜效果啊，即係好似政府呢啲片咧，其實啲小朋友會睇啫嘛。你真係年長少少啲人咧都忙啲嘅，好少會留意嗰啲所謂嘅嗰啲治安嗰啲宣傳片啦，所以應該冇乜人睇佢咯。
好，咁前面有個行人天橋啦，但係橫過馬路嘅現象都係依舊發生嘅。你覺得有咩辦法可以減少呢啲現象咧？
即係我覺得可以咁嘅，即係有人見到有人喺度過馬路嘅話，你可以用手機影低佢，然之後相俾阿 Sir 或者係治安警咯，然之後有咩獎勵啊啲少少嘅獎品之類咯，係咯。
哦，即係類似懸賞嘅概念咁樣。
係差唔多，差唔多。
其實講辦法咧，我覺得冇，即係之前呢啲係有條臨時斑馬線喺度嘅，但係咧都會就有啲新嘅問題，就會塞車啦，即係嗰條斑馬線會30秒一次嘅，就其實對我哋行人嚟講咧，其實方便咗嘅，但係對車嚟講咧就好塞車啦，所以我覺得都冇一啲十全十美嘅方法咯。
我覺得啲市民或者係啲旅客係清楚唔可以咁過馬路嘅，咁其實大家都係為了貪方便啊嘛，唔想行上天橋好攰咯，係咯，係咁咯。
不過旅客嚟講咧，其實人哋應該貪方便嘅，因為無論咩地區咧，應該橫過馬路都係算係犯法一種咯，所以我覺得係差唔多一樣。
哦，好。
In district interview in Macau's North District, we found that locals are used to people jaywalking. This also shows the government hasn't done enough to regulate it, especially in Barbosa Avenue, because of weak supervision and busy traffic. Many merchants cannot stop jaywalking, so it's getting more common. Jaywalking not only raises people's safety, but also affects the quality of life for nearby residents. It also shows that some people still need to improve their awareness of following rules. To solve this, both citizens and the government should take action. Citizens should follow rules better and understand how jaywalking harms others and themselves. Then, the government should promote traffic safety more and stop jaywalking strictly. For example, sending 1 to 2 police officers to busy jaywalking spot long term. Strict enforcement can make people realize their responsibilities and reduce this behavior.